Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to customize app icon style on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on wallpapers and style. From here, just tap on icons, and from here you can customize the app icon style from here. As you can see, you have a few default app icon styles. As you can see, as I select a style, the app icon style will change in the preview. Just like that. Now once you select an app icon style, just tap on apply. And once you do that, you will apply the app icon style on your smartphone. And also aside from the default app icon styles, you have the option of custom and more. If you tap on custom, you can create a custom app icon style. You can select the shape of the app icon. And also you can increase or decrease the foreground of the app icon, as you can see in the preview. From here, you can increase or decrease the app icon size. And also you can enable adapt system colors. If you enable this toggle, it will extract a color from the background of your smartphone and it will apply it to the app icons. And from here, you can increase or decrease the size of the app name. And also you have the option to disable the app names. And once you are satisfied with your edit, just tap on apply to apply it to your smartphone. Just like that. Now if you go back to the settings, tap on icons, and finally you have the option of more. If you tap on more, you will be able to install a theme on your smartphone, and the theme will change the app icon style according to the theme which you have selected. For example, if I select this theme, as you can see, this is the app icon style. Now just tap on apply to apply the theme on your smartphone. And as you can see, we have successfully applied the theme on our smartphone. But this method will not only change the app icon style, it will apply a theme to your smartphone. And this is how you can customize app icon style on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.